There's an unfortunate story unfolding right now with cryptocurrency here in the United States, and hopefully we get it resolved. But right now, I want to bring you up to speed on something we just talked about a couple days ago. So, this is a quote coming from Coinbase's Daniel Seifert. He says, while the US government opts for regulation by enforcement, other countries are fostering vibrant crypto ecosystems due to progressive regulation. And this is something we've talked about many times here on the channel. And right now, other countries are making headway. They're making leaps and bounds forward in this cryptocurrency environment. The United States still trying to figure out how they want to go about this. So Coinbase is seemingly on the verge of another court battle with the United States SEC. The firm has emphasized that the U.S. government's hawkish approach to crypto regulation has, quote, left a vacuum that other countries are eager to fill. Now, the SEC just recently issued Coinbase a Wells notice on March 22nd, just 3 days ago, outlining that the SEC staff had recommended the agency take enforcement action over possible violations of securities laws concerning some of the firm's asset listings, some staking services, and Coinbase wallet. Now, we know about some of the insider trading stuff that happened with Coinbase. I think this is really geared at staking, though, because recently Algorand, holding your Algorand over on Coinbase, you were earning like 6% passively. And these type of staking rewards where you're earning passive income, these are not good, right? In terms of what we see as a security, at least what we know as a security right now. That is, if that doesn't be adjusted, or that's not adjusted, given it's a different type of market, crypto. Now, in a March 23rd blog post titled "Europe is Winning, Will the U.S. Catch Up?", Daniel Seifert, Coinbase's vice president and regional managing director in Europe, stressed that the United States regulatory approach to crypto has been marked by regulation by enforcement, despite industry-wide calls for comprehensive crypto regulation. This approach has created an environment of uncertainty and instability in the crypto industry. Coinbase's top lawyer says the SEC wants court fights instead of conversation. In dozens of meetings with the SEC over the last 9 months, Gruhl said the exchange was given essentially no response to key questions. And this is something Brian Armstrong has actually hit head on. He's tried to go there and figure out, hey, let's meet at the table. Let's have a conversation. As such, Seifert argues that the United States is losing its status right now as the leading hub of the crypto sector, while France, the UK, and the European Union are now building vibrant ecosystems. So we talked about this before on the channel. Crypto's global. It's not just going to go away if the United States doesn't want to find a way to adapt and utilize this and regulate it however they see fit. Instead, these companies are just going to flourish and thrive elsewhere. And we're seeing that happen right now. So hopefully we will see some clarity soon, but just unfortunate right now in terms of the lack of clarity that we have. And again, all I can do, and we can do as retail investors is just pay attention to the news. I'll continue to bring you updates. Make sure you guys are subscribed right here and plan accordingly once we do have some kind of clarification moving forward. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you.